And guys, what just happened with me? Already मैं late थी. Imran took a hell lot of time, and then हमें parking नहीं मिली. And then when finally I'm in Square One, and I just reached in front of. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. You have already read from the title that we are going for Eid shopping, right?
Yep.
We don't know what we have to shop, or we know.
Let's see.
It's just to get ourselves that feeling जो इंडिया में होती थी जब हम ईद से पहले भाग रहे होते थे 2 दिन 3 दिन.
Suits and all, right?
Yeah, we have to go to the tailor last moment. सूट बनाने ही है. So we are just following the trend in another form, but to just make ourselves happy, right?
Definitely.
So हम थोड़ा सा अपने आप को बेटर कर रहे हैं because we have no one here where we can go, we have no one where we can celebrate Eid. So we are doing these little things just to make ourselves happy. Anyway, let's go. We are here at the TPO.
Yeah.
It's 12ish, 12:30,
kind of.
and we are going inside to TPO. मौसम इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब है ना. It's like chilled plus rain plus windy plus winters plus March.
It's mix and match, yeah?
And it's mix and match. Tomorrow can be Eid or day after can be Eid.
Not sure. Might.
Day after tomorrow can be
Chances,
Eid.
I think, for tomorrow. I think so.
But
Let's
I
see.
want it for Monday.
Why?
Because I'll get an off. Anyway, I don't know. Let's hope for the best. Tomorrow भी हो सकता है या तो फिर day after tomorrow भी. Let's go before we get late. And I'm not Rosa today. So I have just my water bottle with me just to keep hydrated. So let's go inside. Without waiting, the whole parking lot is completely packed.
I think all the office shopping.
मुझे लगता है सारे TPO ही आए हुए हैं. And it's like early morning, kind of. Saturday, otherwise सब late उठते हैं. We tried to just avoid the crowd, but crowd is already here. So let's go without waiting. So as usual, Imran is taking another 100 years to decide a shoes.
I'm
If you
still
guys,
deciding.
if you guys have watched, if you guys know in the earlier vlogs, Imran को बहुत time लगता है shoes decide करने में. I don't know इमरान के mind में कोई design होता है जो market में कहीं पे भी नहीं होता, but mind में design होता है और वो मुझे भी नहीं
This is good,
पता.
but they have different pattern, right?
अब ये पैटर्न नहीं होना चाहिए. आई डोंट नो, मुझे लगता है वो कोई करण जौहर का कोई डिजाइनिस्ट और सम मनीष मल्होत्रा कैन हेल्प इमरान बिकॉज आई एम डन यू नो आई एम डन विद दिस शूज सिलेक्शन ऑफ इमरान. For me, I have hundreds and thousands of shoes which I have to order, but I have to choose कौन सा लूँ और कौन सा next time लूँ. But इमरान के लिए what?
Better black.
For me, it looks good. It's a good Under Armour shoe. I don't know, Imran. It's all up to you.
Let's look for
मैं
the options.
कितना भी बोलूँ, Imran is Imran with the shoes.
Let's look for the options.
Which one?
Other option.
Nothing in Under Armour works.
Different one.
Nothing in Under Armour works. मतलब यहाँ पे जितने भी shoes Under Armour में, it's just waste.
Not a
Nothing.
waste. Let's see.
Just
Let's
like-
look for the options.
Let's go for second option, and you stay tuned for the video, and let's get the fingers crossed. इमरान को shoes मिलता है या आज भी हम ऐसे ही घर जा रहे हैं.
Let's see.
Imran is still in search of a good shoe. Imran, did we find something? Any luck so far?
The black one.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
What do you-
Oops.
This is good.
Is it a good one? मुझे तो ठीक लग रहा है.
This is good. Or we can go for this one.
No way. Not at all.
लिया कौन है this?
Imran, there are people who are red fans. हाँ.
This is something for me. Black sea.
तो अच्छे तो लग रहे हैं सब. Yeah. But still you will not get from their good collection. नहीं Imran, no. I don't like black and blue. Black and black अच्छा है.
This is good. Perfect. Black and black. Red once again.
No? Oh god, I'm so bored with Imran's shoe thing now. I came in the women's section to search something for me because I'm so bored. I don't want the shoe, but still I'm just, you know, winter shopping. So, because I'm bored. इमरान को कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Oh god, I'm so done. मुझे अपनी शॉपिंग के लिए एनर्जी नहीं बची. इमरान, what is the final decision now? What are we doing?
Not decided yet, to be honest.
Oh god, are we leaving from Puma as well?
Let's see.
At least Imran got something in Under Armour. something what Imran picked. Do you like that?
Color is good, right?
Yeah, but zip wala nahi acha hai. Like the normal one is good, yeah. And it's having 50% off. That's good.
Entire store.
Wow, that's good. And Imran, it has colors also. Ye grey hai and the blue and the black. But I think this one is good. So try this one out, right? So guys, I am waiting from last 2 hours in every waiting room, like the fitting room, and Imran is changing back to back without getting anything finalized. And I'm so done. I'm already tired. It's 2 p.m. right now, and I don't know, Imran is inside and showing me things as if sab kuch finally ho gaya. But no, let me show you. Here inside. Imran, anything else? What next? बहुत अच्छा है. I really like the jeans. I like the jeans.
White and this blue.
Yeah, it's good. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. What about you? No? Okay, okay. कोई चीज़ तुम्हारी 100% है? Iman, I really like the jeans. You don't have any jeans like this. कोई भी jeans तुम्हारा इस pattern का नहीं है. So I like this whole combo. What about the other t-shirts? Show me. This is final. आगे से दिखाना इसका print कैसा है? Okay. This is final. Give it to me. Okay. What is the next one? जो final है ना वो बताओ.
This one and this one.
The jeans?
Jeans and dicey.
Dicey? I like the jeans, Imran.
I love it.
Okay. Oh wow, so we have a 50% off for the entire store. So this is my favorite serum ever. I'll get this and मेरे को second option लेना पड़ेगा to get the 50%. I have already this one, otherwise this is also very very good. But I have it already. So I think this time I will go with this. This is a primer plus serum. So this is a good option. So finally we are done with Imran's shopping, right?
Not done. It's almost done.
Almost done or done में क्या difference है?
I didn't get a shoe.
Shoe is never ending, right? So the struggle for shoe is never ending. Now it's my turn for the shopping and we are going to Square One.
But Fiba, we got done the shopping.
It's just my basic things. Serum is not a shopping, right? वो मुझे हर बार चाहिए होता है. That's my basic
On
day
monthly
to day.
basis, right?
Yeah, because that's my day to day thing. It's not something that I have bought something specific for Eid. So now it's my turn and we are going to Square One. See you in Square One. Bye. Oh my god, guys, just look at the traffic. Just look at the lineup of cars. I don't think so हमें parking मिलेंगी. And look at that building, Imran. वो तो clouds से दिख ही नहीं रही है. It's very cloudy. Let me just focus on. Oh god, it's not visible at all. And let us see parking मिलती है या नहीं मिलती है. So basically हमें late हो गया because of Imran.
Because of me? Why?
Yeah, क्योंकि Imran तुमने TPO में time लगाया. And then we reached here. It took us half an hour to get the parking. And parking मिलने के बाद it's 4:30. And we have to leave by 5. Can you imagine? So I already know that I cannot shop, right?
You have time, Fiba.
Because I cannot shop like this.
And I shop like this.
Let's see. Can you imagine, guys, what just happened with me? Already मैं late थी. Imran took a hell lot of time, and then हमें parking नहीं मिली. And then when finally I'm in Square One, and I just reached in front of the Zara store. And can you guys imagine? Zara is closed in Square One temporarily. I don't know, Imran.
Why?
It's not my day today. I don't know why. Imran got like basic things for him, but it's not my day at all.
But I don't know why they are closed, Fiba. It's Eid. It's a Ramadan month, right?
They are temporarily closed. Let me show you from the back camera. ये शायद expand कर रहे हैं अपना यहाँ पे. Oh God, let me show you. It's not my day at all. I want to cry out louder. Let me show you from the back camera. So now I'm here at Sephora and they Sephora is fully packed. I had to get a concealer for myself, but मुझे लगता नहीं है someone will recommend a good one for me. I don't know why everything is not good for me. Today is not my day at all. Lineup भी बहुत ज़्यादा है ना? It's crazy.